Jemena's first two community batteries are now fully operational in Bellfield and Coburg, Victoria. They're the first two community batteries installed within Jemena's electricity network in northwest Melbourne and are supported by the Australian Government's Community Batteries for Household Solar program. Over the next 10 years, we expect the number of homes and businesses with rooftop solar to double. Across our electricity network, that will be around 100,000 homes and businesses generating and exporting renewable energy back into the grid. Community batteries will play a key role in preparing our network to handle this increase, particularly in neighbourhoods that have a high number of homes with rooftop solar. Not only will community batteries benefit homes and businesses that already have solar installed, but they will also benefit those without solar by storing excess renewable energy for everyone to use. This means that homes and businesses without solar can still access local generated renewable energy. A community battery is an energy storage system. Our community batteries have around 400 kilowatt hours of storage, which is the same amount of energy used by around 165 homes for 2 hours at night. In the middle of the day, when the sun is shining and there's a peak in excess solar energy being exported back into the grid, the community batteries will store that energy. Then, later in the evening, when there is more demand on the grid, this energy will be shared with nearby homes and businesses through their existing electricity supply. This will happen automatically without any changes to how our customers currently use energy. Community batteries help to reduce emissions while maintaining the reliability of Jemena's electricity network and help to put downward pressure on electricity bills into the future. In the long term, this will help bring down future investment in network augmentation. This is part of our work to build the energy system of the future, one which supports our customers on their decarbonisation journey and delivers energy reliably and safely.